Samuel Kane 15, and I'm here with my wet dog. This is the wet dog. She loves to take baths. You want to swim? Let's go for a swim. Look at her. Look, just look at her. And I will be vlogging on my phone currently because I'm in an RV. I love taking baths, right? But this is a video about my dog. But I will be vlogging with my phone because I won't have internet because we're going all over the world to Tennessee. Oh. Here's the dog. Look at her. And can you check out Sarah Singer 42 because she's a good channel? Just check her out. She's cold. You cold currently? Gertie. Gertie. Hopefully that didn't get the camera wet. Oh, no. Okay, you don't get to go out yet. Look at her. Look at her. Please comment and subscribe. Look at this. Look at this dog. She flipped. Oh yeah. Do you want this? Do you want this? There you go. What? What do you want, dog? What do you want? Please tell me.
When should I stop it?
By the way, this is a different house. This is my cousin's. They're over there talking. Here's my dog. Look at her. I'm gonna wag that tail. Look at her. Look at her. She loves this. We've also got a merry-go-round back there. I think we might film another video after this showing her on the merry-go-round. But this is it for this video. Please end it, Claire.